Good morning, class 7. In this video, I will explain to you your math work for today and the rest of the tasks that you have to do today. All right. So first of all, let's see what are the tasks for today. We have 3 tasks. English, I will send you a side word passage like every day. And today, instead of poem, you have a self-introduction. Okay. I'll explain to you what that is in a bit. In math, we are doing chapter 3. We will do objective number 2 today. And for activity, we are making bookmarks. All right. Um, so first about the self-introduction. Today you're going to write a self-introduction for yourself. Um, Self-introduction is just basically if you meet someone new, what are the things that you're going to tell them first. Okay, how are you going to start the conversation? So here are some questions that I've given. You can use your own questions. These are just some questions that you can use. First is, what is your name? What do you do? Where do you live? How many siblings do you have? How are you as a person? What do you like doing? What have you been doing these days? And what do you hope to do in the future? I have given you an example. So if I was to introduce myself to someone, I would say, hi, my name is Shehnaz. I'm a teacher and I'm currently living in Pune. I have one older brother. As a person, I'm hardworking and creative. I love cooking, teaching, and hiking. These days, I've been busy taking online classes for my amazing students. I hope that I can start my own school in the future. Tell me about yourself. सो यू हैव ये आपको अपने लिए लिखना है. Okay? ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको अपने लिए लिखने हैं. Then you write this and then make a voice note and then send it to me. Okay, you can make a video or a voice note, anything. Moving on, we have now our math chapter. So the objective today is students will be able to find HCF of numbers using ladder method. Remember, we studied HCF in class 6, highest common factor, right? So we are going to do the same. It is very simple, but we are going to do it using ladder method. Okay, first this is just the revision of what is prime factorization using ladder method. Always remember कि आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ prime number से ही divide कर सकते हैं. All right. So first you will practice these sums. You will try and factorize these using ladder method. Let me show you an example. All right. So here first you have 18. Okay. First question 18 hai. If you want to factorize this or you want to find the prime factors, you first have to divide this using ladder method. Okay, now first ये कौन से प्राइम नंबर के टेबल में 18 आता है या कौन से प्राइम नंबर से 18 को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. तो सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर है 2. हम हमेशा सबसे छोटे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो वी कैन यूज 2. नाउ 2 9s are 18, right? So we will write 9 here. Okay, then again ये प्राइम नंबर है क्या 9? नहीं, तो हम अभी नहीं रुक सकते. We'll have to factorize again. Okay, now 9 is not divisible by 2. 2 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता है. So we are going to use 3 because 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now you know that 3 is a prime number, so you can divide this further only by a prime number, which is 3. 3 1s are 3. So prime factorization of 18 will be equal to, इन सबको आपको multiply करना है. You just have to multiply these. So you write 2 into 3 into 3. Right? Very simple. Now, in the same way, if you have a number which is bigger than this, right? What will we do then? Say, suppose I'm taking the example of 36. Okay. Now remember कि रूल ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी के हिसाब से अगर लास्ट डिजिट इवन है तो हमेशा उसको हम 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. राइट, सो विल स्टार्ट फर्स्ट. नाउ इफ वी ट्राई विथ 2, नाउ वी डोंट नो कि 2 के टेबल में 36 कब आता है. राइट, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू टेक ईच इंडिविजुअल डिजिट. हर एक डिजिट को अलग अलग से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि क्या 2 के टेबल में 3 आता है. नहीं, तो 3 से छोटा क्या आता है? 3 से छोटा 2 आता है, राइट? सो 2 1s are 2, हाँ 2 1s are 2, तो फिर यहाँ पे 3 है तो 3 minus 2 करना पड़ेगा आपको. 3 minus 2 is 1, राइट? और ये 1 यहाँ पे कैरी जाएगा, इट विल बिकम अ कैरी ऑन टॉप ऑफ 6, तो ये बन गया 16. ओके, नाउ 2 के टेबल में 16 कब आता है? 2 8s are 16, right? And then similarly you will do this. This is also very easy. You get 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. This is how you do prime factorization. Now, if you want to find HCF, right? Let's see how do we find HCF using these prime factorizations. Okay, these sums you do by yourself. Now let's look at HCF. You know HCF means highest common factor, right? Now highest common factor निकालने के लिए we have 3 steps, the same steps. First step is find prime factors of all numbers. HCF हम 2 numbers के निकालते हैं, तो first step है we will find all the prime factors of all the numbers. Second step है find common factors, and third step है multiply. All right, so let's see how we can do that. In this example, you see 24 and 32 का example दिया है. पहले इसको ladder method से prime factorize किया है. Then you can see that 24 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 32 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That's how we write 32. अब इन दोनों में हमें देखना है कि कॉमन कितना है, राइट? से सपोज यहाँ पे एक 2 है, यहाँ पे एक 2 है, सो 1 2 इज कॉमन. देन यहाँ पे एक 2 है, यहाँ पे एक 2 है, अनदर 2 इज कॉमन. एंड यहाँ पे एक 2 है, यहाँ पे एक 2 है, अनदर 2 इज कॉमन. यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 3 नहीं है, तो कितना कॉमन है? यहाँ पे 3 2s are common, 3 2s are common. So therefore the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2. So जितने numbers common है उनको आपको एक बार लिखना है. You have to write them once. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. All right. Now next let's see another example. यहाँ पे दिखाया है कि HCF of 3 numbers, 3 numbers का HCF निकाला है. First factorize किया है 20 28 36. फैक्टराइज करने के बाद दे हैव रिटन डाउन. 20 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 2 into 5. 28 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 2 into 7. 36 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, राइट? ऐसे लिखने के बाद कॉमन देखना है. कॉमन क्या क्या है? कॉमन फैक्टर्स 2 है यहाँ पे कॉमन, 2 है यहाँ पे कॉमन, 5 7 3 कॉमन नहीं है, so सिर्फ 2 कॉमन है यहाँ पे. So we will write this once, right? 2 into 2 is the HCF of all 3 of these numbers. Okay, let's try an example by ourselves. These questions you are supposed to do all by yourself. So let me show you the first one. Okay. Here you go. We have 60 and right chota. We have 60 and we have 12. Okay. Now we are going to try and factorize this. We know 62 3s are 6 and 2 zeros are 0. Then we'll have 2 1s are 2. फिर 3 minus 2 1 होता है, 1 यहाँ पे कैरी जाएगा, 1 5s are 10. Then 15 2 से नहीं जाता है, so 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is a prime number. We can write this as 5. ये सिर्फ 5 से डिवाइड होता है, so 5 1s are 5. In the same way we have 12. Now 2 6s are 12, right? And then 2 3s are 6. And we have 3 1s are 3. Now we will write 60. 1 second. right? We'll write 60 equals to kya? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And we will have 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, right? अब इनमें कॉमन क्या है? 1 second. Yeah. So ये 2 और ये 2 कॉमन है, right? These 2's are common. This 2 is also common. And this 3 is also common, right? So now 5 is not common. 5 12 के factors में नहीं है. So we'll write HCF of 60 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 3 क्या होता है? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So इन दोनों का HCF है 12 and that is the answer. I hope you understood this part. For the next questions you have to try all of these by yourself. अगर 3 numbers है तो तीनों का HCF तीनों का factorization करेंगे and then you will find the common factors. Okay. And that's about it for math. Today we have an art activity which is making bookmarks. I will send you some videos on the group. You can make your own bookmarks, be creative, okay, and you can do anything else that you want. All right. You will start submitting your work on the group at 1 p.m. and then we might have a Google Meet at 4 p.m. I will let you know about that. I'm not very sure because we are going to have a Zoom call today. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.